Alrighty guys, we're here at the Embassy Suites here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Let's check out what we have here. That's right, we got some KONEs. Going up. Nice cab. Sorry, KONE, I didn't mean to put you in enough mode. Get mad at me. Here we go. Got some pre-door. Nice. Area 5.
Going down.
That's the arm cabinet. Pretty thick too, honestly. But that's the arm cabinet. And we're already at 1. Pre-door. There goes that one. Yes, we're going up. Very nice elevator cabs. Pre-door. Nice. And yes, we're going down. Yep.
Going down.
Going up. Looks like a bronze cap.
Going down.
Cool. Peter.
Going down.
There's the ammo cabinet. KSS 570. Nice.
First floor. Going up.
The other one's gonna be annoying. Oh no.
All of us ever save on delivery, gas, plus so much more. Join today.
Gotta check off with the music. Or the TV in that case. This is the official map from 1940. Can you come in later? Oh, okay. Whatever. Anyway. I'm gonna slice this video up. But, yeah, there goes that one over there. Yep. Here's the middle one. Yes, we're going on. Similar cabs to the other ones. Why? And put you in the back of the wall. There.
Going up.
I'm going up.
You going up?
Yes.
Going up? How you doing tonight?
Doing good. How about you?
Get you 4 for us.
What floor?
Yeah, 4. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Yeah, you having a good time tonight?
Oh yeah.
That sounds good. Yeah.
Fourth floor.
Did you find some good food tonight?
Yeah, I had Bojangles for dinner tonight.
Ah, ain't no wrong with that.
And then tomorrow is Bucky's grand opening up in Smith's Grove.
Grand opening?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now look into that. Now you have a nice one there.
Yeah, it's gonna be really nice. Woo!
Fifth floor.
I was thinking wondering, Bojangles.
Going down.
Plus, you know, all the southern food delicacies like Whataburger and Cookout.
Down.
But the main reason why I'm here in Bowling Green is because Bucky's is having a grand opening tomorrow.
First floor.
As a recording date, this is 6/23.
Going up.
There was one down here. Let's go back up to 5. Got any Peter?
Floor.
Peter? There we go.
Going down.
Look at that. Seating outside the elevator lobby. Very, very interesting. There's the ammo cabinet on the side. It's pretty thick.
Going down.
Yeah, we're going down. Here's the cab view. Pretty bronzy cab.
Floor.
AP door. Oh yeah.
Going up.
Boring. There goes the elevator. And there you have it. There was just some nice, really nice and efficient 5-story KONEs in the Embassy Suites. So, I guess that is gonna be it for me.